A burger press is a kitchen utensil that is designed to create meat patties that are consistent in shape, size, and weight. A burger press is often made from plastic or metal. It consists of a round mold with a circular cover or press that can be forced downward against the ground meat to shape it. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 burger presses on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ovos Aluminum Nonstick Burger Press. Ovos Aluminum Nonstick Burger Press is made of food-grade heavy-duty aluminum for super durable quality. This is the ultimate hamburger tool for you to make a variety of delicious fast food in a healthy way. It is designed and engineered to help you make an enjoyable dining experience every day. Its non-stick coating mold allows you to keep patties intact during removal and speed cleanup as well. The depression lines on both sides allow for aiding in quick, even cooking for moist, scrumptious burgers every time. The top with a high-quality wooden handle can help you to have a safe and comfortable grip. Key features: heavy-duty aluminum structure, a wooden handle, non-stick coating. Advantages: can speed up your cooking time, easy to use and clean, can move it easily, easy for beginners to control, can be used for a long time. Number 2. Mountain Grillers Plastic Burger Press. Mountain Grillers Burger Press has high-quality plastic construction. This product can help you to make big, fat, juicy hamburgers every time that cook evenly and won't fall apart on the grill. It is designed with a mold to shape your favorite ingredients with meat, to give perfect round burgers, and a non-stick coating so that you can easily remove your perfect patties with ease and without a mess. By using this product, you can easily make delicious, grilling meats for meals to enjoy in a quick way. You do not need to spend much time washing this burger press because it is dishwasher safe. Key features: made of high-quality plastic, a non-stick mold, suitable size. Number 3. Shape Store Innovative Burger Press. Shape Store Innovative Burger Press will amaze you with its strange design, which can bring you many benefits. It is made of food-grade silicone, so that you can easily use it in both hot and cold temperatures. This burger press has 8 molds, so that you can easily make 8 hamburgers at one time. This will help you to serve your family delicious meals and save your time when cooking to do other jobs. You can simply fill your favorite meats and seasonings into the molds and seal the lid to shape 8 uniform patties. It is very easy to break off meats because they stay separate without sticking to the container. Key features: special design, made of silicone, contain 8 molds. Number 4. Victoria Cast Iron Burger Press. Victoria Cast Iron Burger Press is made from cast iron, so it is very durable and long-lasting for you to use. This product can improve your grilling and reduce cooking time by about a half for thin meats and bacon. This product has the ability to transfer and retain heat for flattening bacon and squeezing fat from meats. You can easily enjoy delicious grilling food in a healthy and quick way for an energetic morning to work. You can use this burger press to make other accompaniments for your burgers as well: bacon, poultry flatbreads, grilled sandwiches, and more. It also features a screw-removable cool touch wood handle to avoid moving and sliding when cooking. Key features: made of cast iron, wood handle, 100% non-GMO flaxseed oil. Number 5. Kucinert Stuffed Burger Press. Kucinert Stuffed Burger Press is made of plastic and cast iron. It is an ultimate 3-in-1 burger making tool, so that you can easily use it to make many delicious fast meals such as stuffed burgers or regular burgers. This is perfect kitchenware for stuffing. You can easily stuff the base with meat and compress a bowl-like indentation on the top, and then you can easily fill the indentation with your favorite ingredients. The top patty is often thinner to make more heat contact with the inside. By using Kucinert Stuffed Burger Press, it's easier than ever to make delicious burgers. Therefore, in a few quick steps, you can easily have a customized stuffed burger ready to grill for friends and family. Key features: plastic and cast iron, An ultimate tool, a perfect place for stuffing. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.